welcome back to the channel. What we got going on today is, I should have showed you, well, in the last video we removed the wrap from the hood and the trunk lid. There is some cleanup of the paint. We're going to have to do probably a 3000 and then a buff and clean that back up because there's a little bit of yellowing, and I'm hoping that that'll clean that up. But anyway, the next phase is today I'm going to work on tackling these headlights. They need a little bit of a restore, and so I'm going to use the same Meguiar's headlight restoration kit that I used on the lights of the truck, on those little fog lights before, but that's what we're going to do. But this time I'm actually going to use, I'm going to try it out and see if it works out anyway, is I've got the pad on my little angle grinder, and I'm going to see if I can, I'm going to be real careful because the way this is stuck on here is with an abrasive pad behind it. I definitely didn't want to hit the headlight with that abrasive pad. So we're going to go easy, really easy, and see if we can get this cleaned up and then resprayed so we can get a nice crystal clear lens out of the deal. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started on this project. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mask off the area around the headlight, and basically I just want to protect the paint that's around it, to make sure that if we hit it with something that there's a little bit of protection between the paint and the tool. So just a matter of going around and alright, got that done. Let me grab the abrasive stuff and we'll see how it goes. Alright, that ends that. Yeah, basically it slung stuff all over the place, and so now I got a bigger mess to clean up. So in theory it was a great idea, but in practice not so much. Looks like all the yellowing is gone. Okay, go ahead, I got some masking paper. I'm going to go ahead and mask around this so I don't get any overspray all over the paint, hopefully. I did spend the last few minutes cleaning up my mess though. There we go. did clean it off and wipe it down with alcohol and everything else, so it's plenty clean enough. Now I'm going to go easy with it. Alright, nice light coat, and we'll let that sit for a little bit and come back and hit it with the second coat, let it dry, and then we'll do the before and after. Holy cow. It always amazes me how much of a difference a headlight restore makes on a car if you've got the yellowing headlights. Yeah, world of difference on this car. I think it looks fantastic, but I'll let you be the judge here in a little bit. Okay, the instructions say wait 3 to 5 minutes before you apply the second coat, and we're pretty close to that now. Well, we're at probably 4 minutes now, so kind of just waiting for the breeze to get in between them before I hit it with the second coat. But so far it looks actually really good. And if you're worried about the Corvette, I did hit it with a pretty good coat of the spray wax beforehand. So any of this stuff that gets on it, it'll come right off. I'm not worried about that. So. Well, says it'll be dry to the touch in 3 to 5 minutes, fully cured in 24 hours. But it's going to stay in the garage for a couple of days, and so before it gets driven again, it'll be really good, fully cured. But before I move around a whole lot, I'm going to go ahead and let this stuff sit for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to peel everything off and do the before and after reveal look on them, so you can really get a good visual on the difference. So, see you in a few minutes. Alright, so here we go. We are back, and got it unmasked, and so everything looks great on that side. Ooh, there we go, a little bit of sunlight off of it, and so to me it doesn't look like it's really showing up that well on camera. But I don't know, maybe that way it shows up good. Back away, maybe. Yeah, I think you can see it there okay. All it takes a little time and elbow grease. Granted, the angle grinder didn't work out. It spit the pad off and then made a heck of a mess all over the place. Had to clean all of that up. So anyway, it was worth a shot. So okay, well there we are. We did the reveal on the passenger side, then we compared it to the driver's side to see how they look. Hopefully that shows up well on camera. The driver's side is quite a bit more cloudy than the passenger side, but well, passenger side looks fantastic now. So it's a little bit of elbow grease and the right stuff, and it doesn't take a whole lot to do it. Thanks for watching Yellow Jacket Garage. I appreciate you watching my channels, and if you have not already done so, please subscribe and hit the like on the video if you like it. And remember, be safe, have fun, and we'll see you on down the road.